Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about LinkedIn ads conversion tracking. So conversion tracking is a major feature of LinkedIn ads where you can set up this feature, and with the help of it, you will be able to track your conversions or sales which are you generating with your ads. So once people come to your website and they do business with you, they buy your product, they take your services, they fill up your form, that will be tracked as a conversion on your LinkedIn ads account. So you will be able to understand what kind of sales leads are you generating with the help of your LinkedIn ads advertising. So this is a critical part which has to be set up on the account once you start running your ads. Now, in order to do so, there are online conversions and there are offline conversions which you can set up. In online conversions, there will be a specific inside code, which is a script or a code which LinkedIn gives you, which needs to be implemented at the back end of your website's pages. And this particular code has the capability to capture the sale or the lead, which is form which has been filled. And this gets tracked inside our LinkedIn ads account automatically. So our job is to go ahead and implement this site-wide insight tag on every single page of our website's domain. Apart from this, there's also an event specific tracking, which you can do, which specifically looks at tracking specific events, which can be users clicking on a button or a link. If you would like to track those, then you can set up a event specific tracking as well. The other type of conversions which you can also attribute over here is offline conversions, where you can go ahead and connect your offline conversion data to your campaign manager in order to attribute them to LinkedIn ads. So you can do that as well by manually uploading a CSV file of this data at the backend and into the campaign manager. This is possible. You can automate the whole data collection connection through a LinkedIn marketing partner like Adverty, Dream Data, HubSpot, LiveRamp, or Make. So you can choose any of these partners, and you can, with the help of it, you can upload your offline conversions into your LinkedIn ads account and understand what kind of offline conversions were you able to generate with your help of LinkedIn ads advertising. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand the basics of conversion tracking, why do we need it, and what is the importance of it in our LinkedIn ads advertising. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.